So bright and early in the morning, I'm on my way down the road to Twentynine Palms. Gonna sign the papers. Gonna get this house. Now, this journey is going to be interesting because once we take possession of the house, it still has to be renovated. And we're doing all of this while my man Broderick is in Canada finishing The Expanse.
Sorry, bro, I can't be there. You know, we're shooting The Expanse here in Toronto. Got to be here to get the job done. Kev, is it really going down? Are we going to be landowners in Twentynine Palms? Joshua Tree, is it happening? Is it happening?
That's it. Fantastic.
So it's two dudes with a crazy ass dream. Our wives really haven't bought in, and somehow we have to make this work.